Hello. In this video, we'll walk through how to design a process log analyzer in Boomi that uses both structured and conversational agents. Our goal is to combine automated data extraction with intelligent human-like insights. So this is a process that I've created. So this process is built to analyze process logs efficiently and provide insightful recommendations. It leverages two types of AI agents. One is the structured agent, the other is the conversational agent. We use structured agent to extract key analysis metrics from execution and error messages in a structured JSON format. It provides a consistent machine-readable structure for downstream analysis, and this JSON formatted data can be logged using this written document shape in the process execution. So this written document shape basically uses to display the structured agent response. Now let me show you the structured agent configuration. So this is the structured agent that I've created. Just let me edit this. So it will ask for disable. So this I've created to diagnose the reported error, analyze the contributing factors, and share the root cause and recommended fix. So agent mode is structured as discussed. This is the input schema, that how it looks like. So this is just a sample payload that I've given. So in this execution ID, process name, error log, it can dynamically take values. And this is how my output schema looks like. So it will give me the execution ID, process name, along with that probable causes and recommended fix for that. So I have added my tasks, root cause analysis and remediation recommendations. Root cause analysis basically perform comprehensive diagnostic investigation of error sources. So where it will analyze these errors and identify some potential causes for these errors. Next, remediation recommendations, where it will provide us some troubleshooting steps or recommended fix based upon our error messages. So guardrails for security purpose, I have added some sensitive information protection. That's it. So I'll just test it and I'll show you how the response should look like. I'll take this payload itself for time being. Just a minute. Let me quickly. I'm getting my payload. Yep. So here you could see that in input I provided an execution ID, process name, and error log. So this is the response that we have got. Execution ID, process name, and probable cause. It states that network connectivity issue between Boomi and SFTP server, firewall blocking, SFTP server may down. So there's some probable causes that it have noted for us. Next, a recommended fix. So it have given some troubleshooting steps or resolution steps, we can say. Verify SFTP server in operational and accessible. Check network connectivity and firewall rules. Validate SFTP connection details. Consider increasing connection timeout if network latency is expected. Test SFTP connection from Boomi Atom server directly. So all this you could see in our JSON format. So this is how a structured agent works in our process. Just will deploy it. Save and continue, and deploy our agent. So this is my conversation agent. We can start conversation, or just to show you the configuration, I did once. So this is error and log analyzer, and this is agent mode is conversational. These are the values that I've given for personality, creativity 75, decisiveness 90, clarity 95, confidence 85, and engagement as 80. Voice is professional, and the conversation starter. I have given few phrases here. Uh, Tasks are pretty simpler. First, log upload analysis. Since we are sharing a process log to this, it should analyze those logs. Error interpretation based upon the stack trace from the process log or the error message that it get from execution details. It have to debug that error. Resolution recommendation, some troubleshooting steps or recommended fix for this. And process of some performance reporting. If it is a performance related issue, it can share us some performance reporting or guidelines that can enhance our performance. Send notification. So as I mentioned, we'll be sending a notification to user as well. So for this, I have added a send notification tool, which is an integration type tool. This integration tool just does whatever analysis report that we create using this agent. It using a data pass through, it will go to our integration process and send an email to the user. I can show you that process as well. So this is our send notification process, as I mentioned. So this is the data pass through. Whatever like analysis report that we get from our agent. So using this data pass through, we'll be sending this to our mail connector, and it will trigger a notification for user. So here, even like we also have email alerts in platform, but the other additional advantage with this agent is that, so along with the notification stating that a process has been failed and so and so execution and so and so process name, along with this we will get additional details such as so this is the cause for this process failure, and these are the recommended fix, or these are the troubleshooting steps. So that is an additional advantage with these agents. So we have gone to our conversational agent as well. Let me deploy this, or I'll just test it for you once. So here I'm giving execution details in normal text format here. Yeah. So this is the analysis report that we have got from our conversational agent. See, for whatever connection error we have sent it. So we have got the troubleshooting steps or recommendations as well with this agent. So let's say continue and deploy this agent. Now let me test this process for you. Like for this activity, I've already I deliberately made few failed executions. So just to test this and show you. First, we'll see our structured agent response. It's true, this is execution ID, process name, possible causes. I'll show you the execution ID as well. So the execution that failed is this one. We will compare it with this. Test error process 2, this one. See, our execution ID is matching. It's the process name, and for this, it actually failed with an error, unable to create XML files from data. So the possible causes our agent have given input data is in JSON format, while the process is expecting XML format. Incorrect document type, configuration in the process, missing data transformation step from JSON to XML, process configuration set to hold on error, preventing further execution. And it also given a recommended fix for us. Verify the input data format and ensure it matches the expected XML format. If input is meant to be JSON, add a JSON to XML transformation step before processing. And the third one is update process configuration to handle respective formats. And fourth, review the hold on error settings if complete process definition is not desired. So these are the recommended fixes. Since we have two errors, we should have another report as well. Let us go through the second one. Okay, this is the execution ID, SFT UV2 test process, and execution ID is matching with what we have got here, and the process name was also matching. It failed with connection timeout error. So these are the possible causes that it have shared us, and along with that, our recommended fixes as well. Cool. And so we will be sending this response along with the process log to our conversational agent. Let's check the response from conversational agent. It should be successfully sending email to user. This is the event message that we have to see. Stunning. Yes. Its delivery status is complete. For the second one also, the delivery status was complete. Okay. Now, let's check how these emails have been triggered. So we got two emails for both this failed executions. The first one, we have seen that this is the error message that we have seen, that unable to create XML files from data. So we have got process execution summary, error details, and in email we have probable causes and also the recommended actions. And we also got process execution timeline. Since we have shared the process logs as well to our conversational agent, we have got like when the process initialized, the shapes that it executed, and when the error has encountered, and in which shape, and why the process is terminated. So we got this execution timeline as well in our mail. And for the second one, that is for the connection related issue. So here also we got the process log summary, like when it started, error occurred, and execution time as well, and probable causes for this and recommended actions. So we could see that using our conversational agent, we have received the emails respective errors. So this is how we use both our structured and conversational agents in our process. So we have few benefits with this. So that can be the benefits that can be achieved are automation and accuracy with structured agent. Precise analysis can be extracted. So interactive insights with conversational agent, like it translates data into understandable feedback, like we see it here. And dual advantage with these agents, it combines the precision of structured data with accessibility of natural language interpretation. So whatever response that we got from structured agent, along with a few other details and queries, we got natural language interpretation and improved troubleshooting efficiency. This is the main advantage, I can say. So instead of monitoring the process reporting page, and once you get the failed execution, going back to the process reporting and reviewing the logs and then verifying the error message and starting the troubleshooting, it could take some time. But using this process, which can take some hours, it resolves in minutes. Like it quickly identifies the issues and suggests the resolution steps or recommendation fixes for us. So whatever the like high level or the initial troubleshooting steps that we should do using process logs, so that can be achieved with our agent. Thank you.